Is Romanian that hard? Because if you can speak English, you already know at least 45 Romanian words. Romanian is a Romance language, meaning it shares a ton of its vocabulary from French, Italian, Spanish, and so does English. So there are exact matches, very close cousins, and there are many that are easy to guess just depending on the context. So here are 45 Romanian words that you already know. University, universitate. Universitatea e mare. Teacher, profesor. Profesorul explică. Student, student. Student învață. Logic, logică. Idea, o idee bună. Proiect, proiectul e gata. Exam or test, examen. Am examen. Lesson, lecție. Lecție. Lecția începe. Test. Test. Testul e ușor. Diplomat. Diplomat. El e diplomat. Now let's move on to the next section, which is all about health and your body. Doctor. Doctor. Doctorul vine. Clinic. Clinica. Merg la clinică. Medicine. Medicament. Iau medicament. Fever. Febră. Am febră. Diet. Dieta. Țin dieta. Virus. Virus. Este un virus. Este un virus. Stress. Stres. Simt stres. Sport. Sport. Fac sport. Energy. N-am energie. Energia. N-am energie. Vitamin. Vitamina. Vitamina ajută. For the next category, it's about everyday things we do. For example, restaurant. Restaurant. Suntem la restaurant. Phone. Telefon. Unde este telefonul? Taxi. Taxi. Vine taxiul. Hotel. Hotel. Hotelul e nou. Internet. Internet. Am internet. Radio. Radio. Ascult radio. Music. Muzică. Ador muzică. Cafe. Cafenea. Stăm la cafenea. Ticket. Ticket. Bilet. Ai bilet? ATM. Bancomat. Caut un bancomat. For the next list, it's all about work and business. Office. Birou. Sunt la birou. Email. Email. Trimit un email. Company. Firma. Firma e mică. Boss. Șef. El e șeful. Manager. Manager. Ea e manager. Contract. 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 Am semnat contractul. Economy. Economie. Economia crește. Schedule. Program. Ce program ai? Salary. Salariu. Salariul e bun. And conference. Conferința. Am conferință azi. And for the final 5, here are more abstract words. Important. Important. E important. Natural. Natural. E natural. Active. Activ. Sunt activ. Normal. Normal. E normal. And romantic. Romantic. E romantic. See, you already know more Romanian than you thought. So you're not starting from 0, you're at least starting from 45. If you want to learn more Romanian the easy way, then click follow below or check out the other videos I have, especially on how to introduce yourself. See you next time.